Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Hanan Rahman. Uh, as you all know, we are talking about computer network in this series. So I've already covered two topics about this uh, course. Today's topic is network topologies. It is a short topic. We are going to discuss this topic. So I'll talk about what is network topology. Network topology is basically the arrangement of network devices and connections, and it tells us how the data flows through the network. So it has some disadvantages and advantages. The advantages are that it is network efficiency, it is scalable, and it is reliable. The disadvantages are that it's it can be complex to manage, and it can be complex to manage and also implement. Also, its cost is high in some cases, so cost can vary also. So network topologies has 5 types. So the first one is bus topology. So bus topology का कॉन्सेप्ट कुछ ऐसा है कि एक जो डिवाइसेस जो कनेक्टेड हुई हुई हैं वो सिर्फ सिंगल एक केबल के थ्रू कनेक्टेड है, और उसी के थ्रू डाटा बोथ डायरेक्शन में ट्रांसफ़र हो रहा है. इसके अलावा इसके एडवांटेज ये है कि लो कॉस्ट है और इजी टू इंस्टॉल भी है. डिसएडवांटेज इसका ये है कि अगर सिंगल पॉइंट ऑफ फेलियर भी आ जाए उस केबल में, सो उसके बाद पूरा कनेक्शन लॉस्ट हो जाएगा. सो बेसिकली ये बस टोपोलॉजी इट इज़ गुड फॉर स्मॉल नेटवर्क प्लेसेस like a home, only that type of places. Star topology. Second type of network topology is star topology. Star topology basically is something like one device. All the network devices are connected to a single switch or hub. The desired gadget that wants to receive data transmission will receive the data from the central device. Advantages of star topologies are centralized management, high reliability, and easy to troubleshoot. Disadvantages of star topologies are it is reliable on the central device, and the cost is a little bit high from bus topology. Now the third type of network topology is ring topology. In ring topology, devices are connected in a closed loop and data is flowing through them. Advantages of ring topologies are that every node has equal access and data is transferred efficiently. Disadvantages of ring topologies are that a single node can disrupt the connection of whole connection. मतलब अगर एक नोड ख़राब हो जाए बीच में तो पूरा कनेक्शन ख़त्म हो जाएगा, और इसकी जो इंस्टॉलेशन है वो बहुत कॉम्प्लेक्स होती है. सो द फोर्थ टाइप ऑफ नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी इज़ मैश टोपोलॉजी. इन मैश टोपोलॉजी every device is connected to every other device. So if a network fails, if one device between all of them fails, the other devices still keep running. So advantages of mesh topologies are it is highly reliable, fault tolerance, because if one device fails, then the other devices can keep running, the network doesn't fail, and it is optimal. Disadvantages of mesh topology is that it is expensive to install because excessive cables are used in this. So the fifth type of network topology is tree topology. A tree-like arrangement of network devices in a hierarchical system. This is called tree topology. It also blends aspects of star and bus topology. Advantages of tree topology is that it is a hierarchical system. It is also easy to expand, and it is efficient for larger networks. Disadvantages are that it has complex troubleshooting, and it is also dependent on the root node. So this was a short description about network topologies and its types. I hope you like this video. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.